Hey, welcome to Pythagoreans Get Ready for Calculus. This is Skill 7, Finding Slope or Rate of Change. Same idea. We're going to look at the first problem on this skill. There are 7 different problems, and some of the problems ask in maybe a little bit of a different way, so you want to do this even though it might seem like a pretty elementary algebra thing. We'll start with a very, very easy one. Of course, if we think about y equals mx plus b, then we know the number in front of x is our slope. So if we want to identify the slope of this function, that's pretty easy. The slope is 2. And that hardly even seems like a video worth watching. But some of these other questions are going to ask, using point slope form, again, that's really a junior high idea. Identifying rate of change, just understanding rate of change is slope, so pulling it out of a word problem, do that a couple of times. Thinking about perpendicular to an equation, this is something you would have done in Algebra 1. But then, a little more interesting, we're going to identify the slope between a point and the vertex of a quadratic. So that's not hard. You could have done that maybe in Algebra 1 and Algebra 2, but you've probably never been asked to do that specifically. So this skill is just going to have you practice the idea of slope in a couple of different ways. All right, well, let's finish this video with an AI-generated math joke. So here we go. Let's say I've lost my keyboard for this, so let's refresh this screen, and here we go. Tell me a math joke about rate. Let's see what AI can come up with about rate. Rate is a super important topic or theme throughout all of calculus. Why did the mathematician become a marathon runner? Because he wanted to excel at finding the rate of change and go the distance. Okay, that was lame. But there you go. Find the slope, rate of change. Hopefully an easy skill for you. Keep working through this packet as you get ready for calculus and kind of hone in on all the skills that you'll need to hit the ground running.